Stupid rain. Leather, because why not? Yeah, that's getting somewhere. All right, ground coming in both sides, positive coming in both sides. Should be a nice even setup. All right, now that one's connected. Those are connected. Let's keep going. We're getting somewhere. I love working with the leather belts, man. These things work so good for all this kind of stuff. All right, now I'm using some short pieces just to kind of figure out where this is going to go. So I'm going to have one here connecting to in that area, then 2, 3. I'm gonna probably run 3 runs, I guess, but I'm gonna run maybe just 2 because they're not going far. So I'm gonna run 2 runs from here to here and here to like here and over out of the middle of the field there, so that it's balanced and it's pulling off of the middle of the bar, feeding into the middle of the bar, or the bank and pulling off of it like that. So I got to sort that out. So I got me some pieces, and I'm just going to do some measuring and get that first one figured out, you know, and then yeah. All right, I got 2 positives, big old heavy stuff, and 1 ground. Got 1 more ground to go, and some tucking and tightening and all that. All right, got all the grounds wires, grounds and positives. Yeah, it's break time. So I was sitting on the can pondering my life choices, and I come up with another thing that I need to do before I'm done with that particular part. All right, I got the charger hooked up. And I can't do this for the camera, but I was at 14.52, so yay, that's a solid. Oh yeah, I wanted to put some zip ties right there. All right, in case you guys were curious, this is what you see whenever the seats are in their position where they're just laid over. So it's a pretty clean layout. And what I think I'm going to do over here is put together a little toolkit that's going to ride right in that hole right there. So I have access to Allen keys and the basic wrenches I need in case I need to do something. I'm getting there. The plan, it changes and changes and changes, because as you go, the situation just develops and it grows, you know, and so you have to be willing to move with it and let it do its thing. So that's what we're doing. We're doing the thing. The next thing I have to do is go put some fuel in this battery charger, because yeah, damn. Boy, this thing starts up like somebody done cut a switch, whipped it in a circle for 20 minutes. We got ourselves some fuel for the battery charger. Yeah. All right. I got my white wire, which is going to be my constant power for my relay. I got some speaker wire, which is going to be my power for my lights. And these 2 are both done. The yellow wire is power going into the relay, and the blue wire is power coming back from the relay. It's a trigger for stuff that's up here. I got that stuff all ran. I'm ready to go back there and sort that out. All right, this white wire goes into my relay. That's the constant power. This one here is going to feed that, so I got to shorten that and make that connection. This wire here is going to my bumper lights connection, so that is going to provide me with all of my LEDs. This black one I also pull through here. This goes out of my box and lights up the LEDs that are in my box. I can't remember what kind of shape they're in, but we're going to light them up and see what happens. If they look like crap, we'll pull everything out and put some rock lights in there. But we're getting ready to redo all this. All right, there's the wires that are going to my lights, positive and ground. This one here is hooked up. It runs back into the hole. This is the light for the box lights. The wire, I haven't got it hooked up yet, so it's just going to lay in there. And that section is done. All I got to do is hook up the positive for the constant on positive, and this relay setup should work. Now, this is a temporary poke. I just poked the wire there, but that's the power wire going to constant. See, I still got the whole roll sitting there. I got to figure out exactly how I'm running it, but I want to show y'all the end result. Now see, right here is where the voltage is coming off. It's coming off of the relay. The relay gets its constant power from wherever that white wire is. So this voltage is reading directly from where that white wire is connected, which would be my lithium bank. So there you go. And the battery charger is working.